Y splitter, plug one end into the Sena, plug the other end into the GoPro adapter. Great, it's mono, this is probably not going to work. Plug the other end into the GoPro, start up the GoPro, plug the headphone into that. So I should, if this works, the Sena should come through the headphones and into the GoPro. So I should be able to hear audio with the Sidetone from the Sena, the microphone repeating myself, hear other people's audio as well through the GoPro and through the headphones. So the way I'm going to test that, because you can't do Sidetone by yourself, is phone audio playing through the Sena. So if that works, then I know that this whole setup works. So I'm going to go ahead and start filming with the GoPro, and we'll see if I get any audio from the Sena and audio in my headphones. Let's give this a shot. So far so good. I got audio through one ear in my GoPro, in my headphones, which is good. It hopefully recorded the same thing into the GoPro. And now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can pair my phone. If this works, media connected, I can hear. I should have heard that same thing in my GoPro. And I'm going to go ahead and just try a little something here. Let's see if I can get some audio from Cooking with Eli. A cooking video from Eli. Alright, so that should be good. If this all worked, then we've got everything, including mono audio to both of these things. So I'm going to shut everything down now, see what we got. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, don't. Because you're not listening to the mic, so that actually makes perfect sense. Shut that down, we'll unplug this, take these headphones out, and let's see if we got any audio back from the GoPro. It didn't work. Alright, testing the process again here. Let's see if we got it right this time. I picked up a male patch cable and a male to 2 times female patch cable. Hopefully we can get this thing working. So let's see if we can get Sena, GoPro audio all hooked up with the headphones going using Sidetone. So, brand new stuff, just picked this up. The fanciest little wrapper I've ever seen. Cool. Pretty high quality. Alright, so we're going to pop the male end in here. Like that. Actually put that in there without the Sena thing interfering. Cool. This guy, plug the mic from the GoPro. It's going to go on the end of this. Yeah, and we'll take these into the headphones. We'll plug these guys in here. So, Sena audio to headphones. Now, we also take the male patch cable. Take one of those bad boys. Take that out. And now this guy goes here to the other end of this. So now we should have Sena also going to the GoPro, Sena going to the headphones. Now if I hear everything right, I should be able to put these headphones in. that. Headphones in. I'm going to turn this guy on. Video going from this thing. Bro, your audio adapter's stupid awful. Okay, let's try that again. Power that on so that we can actually use the mic adapter. Okay, we should be recording now. Turn Sena on.
Hello. Phone connected.
I can hear audio in my headphones. I should also be able to hear audio through the GoPro. And now I'm just going to test a little bit of a podcast here.
We're around for millennia. Rather than relying on text or any kind of culturally specific image, such as a warning triangle, instead they have to think about the fundamentals.
So far so good. I can hear everything. And now I should be able to hear through this too, provided everything worked right. So this means, because of Sidetone, it's going to play the music, the voice from it's going to play the sound from my voice back through the speakers into the GoPro using Sidetone when you're paired. This setup does not work if you're only by yourself. You still have to use the normal microphone for that because the Sena does not have always on Sidetone. So let's give this a shot now and see if we actually got any recording from this. We kill that. Now let's go back and let's take a look and see if we actually got anything. So let's turn that up.
Hello. Phone connected.
Well, that's good. That's a lot of background noise though. Perfect. That's a good test. Everything works. We're good to go. Boom. Done. Yeah. So, that's the trick. Male to 2 times female. Female, one end into the audio adapter, other end into headphones. Or if you want, you can use 3.5mm speaker plugs off of this guy too. That's it.